At Lincoln University, learning starts with the land and looks to the future. Our land-based programs cover everything from agriculture and horticulture to environmental management and commerce. Study at Lincoln means access to real-world environments, farms, orchards, vineyards, and research sites, where theory connects with hands-on experience. Students explore how food systems function, from soil and plants to animals and nutrients. We examine how climate, technology, and global pressures are changing the way we grow and manage the land. Sustainability is woven through it all, learning strategies that support resilient farming and future-focused land use. It's a full paddock-to-plate journey, where science, innovation, and sustainability come together. If you're passionate about shaping a better world through the connections of food, land, and people, your future starts here at Lincoln University.